新冠奥密克戎病毒又有新的变种 EG.5， 这款病毒已经在50个国家出现。在美国，新的病例有1/7拢是为着 EG.5。美国、澳洲佮亚洲一寡国家为着病佮断疫的人数嘛拢会增加哦。世界卫生组织就建议各国继续监控新冠病毒，先唔通放零。
观光景点人真多，随着新冠疫情受到控制，各国陆续放零防疫措施，国际旅游也渐渐恢复，人的生活回归正常。不过，世界卫生组织发现，奥密克戎病毒阁有新的亚型变异株 EG.5 甲 XBB 变异株真强，对抗人体抗体能力较强。
For EG.5, we see that it has an increased growth rate, which means it's more transmissible because of that growth rate increase and its immune escape. So people are going to get infected. It's on our radar. It was a variant under monitoring since July because of this increased growth rate, and now we're detecting it in more countries, and we expect that in some countries it may become dominant.
WHO 将 EG.5 变异株叫做爱丽丝，佮归类伫需要注意变异株，因为突变可能使伊有更较有传染性甲严重性。到目前为止，这个变异株已经伫超过50个国家出现。WHO 呼吁各国 将愿取消对新冠病毒的监控，以加速应对未来新的流行病。另外，南半球的纽西兰，乃是全球防疫规范上严格的国家，在443年完了后，15正式结束取消村内防疫措施。
The formal end of what was a uniquely challenging time for the country and, of course, for the world. Using the word was in that sentence to describe our COVID-19 response in the past tense really does bring home what has been a very interesting and challenging time.
随着主疫苗率悬，多数的防疫措施去年已经陆续取消，病院伫寒天也无出现负担过重的问题。民众刷落来到病院机构，唔免阁挂喙罨，感染新冠病毒，也唔免阁隔离7天。也毋过，卫生部门犹原建议着病人踮伫厝内休养5日。公司新闻，陈伟霆编译。